Hello everyone, I'm so excited to announce an important milestone for Tamarack Aerospace. We're celebrating our 200th Active Winglet upgrade. To our customer fleet, I want to extend a special thank you. Thank you for trusting Tamarack, thank you for standing by our side, and thank you for showing that innovation, safety, and sustainability can go hand in hand. We see it all the time with our customers. They've been flying the Active Winglets for many years and it's time to upgrade to another business jet. And they insist on having our technology on their new jet. Customers like Drew Forhan, who was our 50th customer, and now he's our 200th customer, understand the reliability, the safety, and the performance benefits that this technology brings to aviation. The road to 200 has not been easy. There have been many hurdles, but these have made us stronger, and our customers have made us better. We're thrilled about this milestone because it sets the foundation for what we have in mind for the future, which is scaling this technology into larger aircraft, whether that's military or commercial. We are bringing sustainable aviation to the industry and to the world. So this milestone marks an important step forward, closer to a future where entire fleets of business, military, and commercial aircraft fly quieter, safer, and more efficiently. We've reached this milestone of 200, but 200 is just the beginning, and we're excited about the future.